I have been using a mouse for most of my life, but recently, after watching numerous recommendations, I finally made the switch to a graphic tab. If you know me, you already know I like to do things faster and in a simpler way. In other words, I like to be more productive, especially when it comes to video editing. And that's why I'm trying out this graphic tab, which is certainly not sponsored. Thank you for purchasing my plugins. First of all, let's talk about the ergonomics. Mouse is terrible in this category. After using the mouse for a few minutes, I start to get very bad wrist pain, which slows me down quite a lot. But on the other hand, a pen is ergonomically much better than a mouse. I still get some wrist pain after long time use, but a lot lesser than the before. When it's come to ease of use, the graphic tab is like a touch screen with a pen, but you can't see the screen on the tab. It took me a few hours to get used to it, but once I did, it felt amazing. With the pen, I had way more control and precision, which really boosted my productivity in editing. Unlike the mouse, which you move it from one place and then lift it up and place it somewhere else, move it from there, the cursor will continue from that exact position. But with the graphic tab, if I'm in one corner of the screen and then lift my pen and go to the other corner, the cursor just teleports to that corner. Remember, this represents the screen. So it really blends with your muscle memory because all the elements stays at the exact position on the screen. And it made editing very fun for me. I can grab clips and the edges with high precision. Now all that aside, the question still remains. Is the graphic tab is a good replacement for the mouse? Then yes, it is way faster to edit and I had a lot more fun editing with a graphic tab than a mouse. But when it comes to daily use, I think it's not that great. It is great when you want to be productive, but for other stuff like being lazy and watching YouTube videos, heck, sometimes I don't even use the mouse properly, like just barely moving it and pressing clicks. And sometimes I'm just too lazy to pick the pen. And the mouse, it's always there. For daily use, I think mouse is still works well, but I think what actually can replace a mouse is a trackpad. And damn, that's expensive. Please buy my product so that I can afford it. And thanks for watching.